Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare Bubble versus Water Hose deleted scenes. We'll dive deep into why these particular moments were cut and what they might have added to the final production. Understanding these choices helps us appreciate the intricate process of filmmaking. We'll explore the unique elements of each scene, from their visual storytelling to their emotional resonance, providing a comprehensive overview of their potential impact on the audience. The Bubble deleted scene often presents a moment of delicate beauty, perhaps showing a character lost in thought or experiencing a brief, whimsical escape. Visually, it might employ soft, diffused lighting and a gentle, almost silent atmosphere, emphasizing introspection. Its inclusion could have added a layer of poetic symbolism, highlighting themes of impermanence or dreams. However, its removal likely served to maintain a faster narrative pace or prevent a momentary departure from the main plot's intensity. In contrast, the water hose deleted scene often implies a more energetic or even chaotic sequence. Imagine dynamic camera movements, perhaps a quick pan or a close-up on splashing water, accompanied by lively sound effects. This scene could have introduced a burst of unexpected humor, a moment of lightheartedness, or even a sudden, intense conflict. Its exclusion might have been a strategic decision to preserve a consistent dramatic tone, ensuring the audience remained focused on the core emotional journey without distraction. Comparing these two, the Bubble scene leans into quiet contemplation and visual metaphor, offering a subtle emotional beat. The water hose scene, conversely, delivers a more immediate, perhaps visceral, experience, whether through humor or sudden action. Ultimately, the decision to cut either scene reflects a director's commitment to the film's overall rhythm and message. Each deleted moment, though unseen, offers valuable insight into the meticulous craft of storytelling and the many paths a narrative can take.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.